Today, we're diving into over 50 modern kitchen cabinet designs that will completely transform your kitchen in 2026. Cabinets are not just for storage, they're the soul of your kitchen's personality. From sleek minimalism to bold luxury, from smart storage solutions to futuristic finishes, we've got ideas that fit every lifestyle. So, if you're planning to renovate, redesign, or just get inspired, stay tuned because these designs will spark your imagination. Minimal and sleek designs. One handle-less cabinets. Smooth push-to-open design for a seamless look. Two matte black cabinets. A bold, modern statement for stylish homes. Three glossy white cabinets. Timeless, clean, and perfect for smaller kitchens. Four flat panel cabinets. Simple, minimalist, and futuristic. Five floating upper cabinets. Creates a feeling of openness. Six slim profile cabinets. Thin, sleek doors for an elegant edge. 7 invisible cabinet design. Blends with wall color for a hidden effect. 8 neutral beige minimalism. Soft tones that make kitchens calming. 9 modern industrial metal cabinets. Stainless steel mixed with matte finishes. 10 all-glass cabinet doors. Showcase your dishware with elegance. 'Natural and warm tones. 11 wood grain cabinets. Bringing nature indoors. 12 walnut brown cabinets. Rich, luxurious tones for premium kitchens. 13 oak veneer cabinets. A rustic yet modern mix. 14 two-tone wood plus white combo, light plus dark balance. 15 bamboo cabinets. Eco-friendly and stylish. 16 dark mahogany cabinets. Creates a luxury vintage appeal. 17 rustic farmhouse style. Open shelving with wood cabinets. 18 blonde wood cabinets. Perfect for Scandinavian interiors. 19 wooden cabinets with glass inserts. A mix of open and closed looks. 20 stone plus wood mix. Marble countertops paired with natural cabinets. Bold and artistic designs. 21 dual color cabinets. Different shades for uppers and lowers. 22 blue accent cabinets. Deep navy or royal blue pops in modern kitchens. 23 green emerald cabinets. Stylish and fresh in 2026 trends. 24 patterned cabinet fronts with geometric carvings. 25 metallic finish cabinets. Gold, bronze, or copper touches. 26 artistic painted cabinets. Customized murals on doors. 27 marble laminated cabinets. A luxury stone effect. 28 textured cabinet surfaces. Grooved or ribbed designs. 29 matte gray cabinets. Understated luxury for modern homes. 30 high-gloss red cabinets for a daring, bold kitchen. 'Smart and functional designs. 31 pull-out pantry cabinets. Maximize vertical space. 32 corner carousel cabinets. Perfect for awkward corners. 33 hidden appliance cabinets. Dishwasher and fridge panels blend in. 34 drawer within a drawer design. Organizes utensils smartly. 35 smart sensor cabinets. Open with a hand wave. 36 under cabinet lighting. For both style and function. 37 slide-up vertical cabinets. Perfect for modern tech kitchens. 38 hidden spice rack cabinets. Neat storage for cooking lovers. 39 recessed handle cabinets. Built-in grooves instead of add-on handles. 40 overhead storage cabinets. High-rise extra storage. 'Luxury and futuristic designs. 41 glass plus LED cabinets. Glowing interiors for a luxury vibe. 42 mirror finish cabinets. Reflective, futuristic appeal. 43 stone-clad cabinets. Natural stone slabs as fronts. 44 floating island cabinets. Kitchen islands with built-in drawers. 45 hidden wine cabinet. Secret luxury storage. 46 open display cabinets. Museum-style shelving. 47 matte black plus gold accent cabinets. High-end luxury mix. 48 digital smart cabinets with touch panels for recipes. 49 expandable modular cabinets, flexible for changing needs. 50 minimal futuristic white pods, sci-fi style kitchen cabinetry. And that wraps up our journey through 50+ modern kitchen cabinet designs for 2026. From minimalist matte blacks to luxurious gold accented cabinets, from smart storage to natural wooden warmth, these designs prove that cabinets are no longer just storage. They're the centerpiece of a stylish home. So tell me in the comments, Which cabinet design would you choose for your kitchen in 2026? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interior design inspiration.